Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this time, we're venturing south to explore the timeless elegance of Southern living house facade designs. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Picture yourself on a wraparound porch, rocking gently in the shade, hummingbirds flitting through fragrant magnolias. That's the magic of Southern living. It's not just a style, it's a way of life. And the facade, my dears, is the first tantalizing glimpse into that world. What is a Southern living house facade design? Forget cookie-cutter boxes. Southern living houses are as diverse as the personalities that inhabit them. But they all share a few key ingredients. First, gracious hospitality, wide, welcoming porches, perfect for sipping sweet tea and chatting with neighbors. Second, classic architecture, think gabled roofs, white columns, and symmetry with a touch of whimsy. Third, natural materials, weathered wood, brick, and stone, whispering tales of generations past. Fourth, timeless details, shutters, window boxes overflowing with blooms, and crisp white trim. Why choose the Southern living look? It's more than just aesthetics, darling. A Southern living facade isn't just a pretty face, it's an invitation to slow down, enjoy life, and connect with loved ones. It's a statement: here, family comes first, and front porches are for porch swings and laughter. Now, let's talk about dressing up your facade. Think of it like an extension of your living space. First, porch furniture, rocking chairs, wicker sofas, and hanging swings are all classic choices. Second, potted plants, create a vibrant oasis with colorful annuals, ferns, and fragrant herbs. Third, outdoor rugs, define your porch space and add a touch of pattern with a weatherproof rug. Fourth, string lights, twinkle lights add a touch of magic, perfect for evenings on the porch. Fifth, doormat, a welcoming doormat sets the tone for your home. Choose something with a touch of Southern charm. Craving a little more oomph? Here are some ways to add architectural interest. First, mixed materials, play with brick, stone, and wood to create a unique and textured facade. Second, decorative corbels, these brackets underneath the roofline add a touch of whimsy and architectural detail. Third, window trim, go bold with contrasting trim colors to make your windows pop. Fourth, shutters, functional and stylish, shutters add a layer of visual interest and a touch of Southern character. And finally, to complete your inspiration, here these the 10 best Southern living facade design ideas. 1. Wraparound porch, embrace the quintessential Southern experience with a porch that wraps around your home, offering shade and stunning views. 2. White columns, these timeless beauties add instant elegance and a touch of formality. 3. Gabled roof, a classic silhouette that evokes a sense of history and coziness. 4. Shiplap siding, this textured wood adds teeth and dimension, perfect for cottages and bungalows. 5. Board and batten, another charming option, board and batten adds a touch of rustic flair. 6. French doors, let the light and breeze in with beautiful, airy French doors. 7. Metal roof, a practical and stylish choice that adds a touch of Southern charm. 8. Window boxes, overflowing with colorful blooms, these little pockets of greenery add a touch of whimsy. 9. Gas lanterns, flank your front door with warm, welcoming gas lanterns for a touch of Southern hospitality. 10. Swinging porch bench, nothing says Southern living quite like a porch swing, perfect for lazy afternoons and conversations with neighbors. Remember, darlings, the key to a successful Southern living facade is to infuse it with your personality and make it your own. So, grab a glass of sweet tea, let your creativity flow, and get ready to build your own little piece of Southern paradise. Head over to our Homes Decor Designs channel for more Southern living inspiration and leave a comment below with your favorite facade design tips. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of Southern living house facade design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.